Liebherr truck-mounted concrete pumps, added performance as a result of innovative technology, made in Germany. The rugged design and a global service network ensure optimum availability and maximum customer benefits. Liebherr guarantee reliable and cost-effective pumping of concrete. Maximum stability due to robust outrigger systems. Liebherr offer a wide range of outrigger variants. The patented XXT outrigger system is particularly practical and innovative. This system is unique to Liebherr and offers optimum flexibility and stability. Liebherr truck-mounted concrete pumps are available in an array of boom lengths and various folding configurations. The balanced weight distribution, as well as a torsion-resistant steel structure, allows low vibration during operation of the boom. The design of the hopper, with large diameter inlets for the pumping cylinders, ensures smooth pump operation. Largely dimensioned hydraulic cylinders provide a powerful changeover for hydraulic pressures up to 320 bar. The double end-of-stroke damping guarantees smooth operation. A steady conveyance of concrete ensures optimum placement of the concrete without deflections of the end hose. Various output capacities can be selected for the pump units. The sophisticated design allows quick and effortless replacement of wear parts. The pump unit is therefore extremely maintenance-friendly. By way of state-of-the-art radio remote control, all commands can be relayed sensitively to the machine by the operator from a single standpoint overseeing the entire operation. The boom can thus be maneuvered uniformly and precisely over the building site. Where narrow support situations are necessary, the front outriggers can be flexibly maneuvered around obstacles and extended as far as the front of the vehicle. This allows an increase of the working area by up to 70%. Discharge of the concrete over the top of the driver's cab, even in narrow support situations, can often prove a tremendous advantage. The XXA stability control guarantees safe operation in every situation. The product range also includes powerful stationary concrete pumps. Concrete pumps from Liebherr, a well-thought-out concept.
Liebherr delivers a wide range of service tools for excavator-specific maintenance, ensuring optimal working conditions no matter the size of the component. The close collaboration between the excavator R&D engineering team and service tools development team ensures that the excavator design encapsulates best practice serviceability. The tooling design and product range evolve with the excavators. Liebherr service tool development meets the most stringent EC and Australian standards and delivers the same quality synonymous with Liebherr mining excavators. With the jacking system, Liebherr delivers a cost-efficient solution to lift the excavator upper carriage for easy swing ring maintenance or replacement. Equipped with 4 synchronous columns for optimum precision and control, the jacking system is a safer and more efficient alternative to the complex crane lift. The ergonomic and compact wireless remote control provides maximum freedom of movement. Via the integrated LCD display, the user can instantly view the health of the jacking system. The jacking system is compatible with Liebherr mining backhoes and face shovels from the R9250 up to the R9800. The pin puller provides unequaled safety and simplicity when extracting and inserting pressed pins into and from the excavator's attachment. This tool is available in 3 sizes across the entire range of Liebherr mining excavators. To complete this innovative solution, Liebherr has developed the Service Power Pack. Fixed to the undercarriage and connected to a generator set, this additional module provides hydraulic power to separate the undercarriage from the upper carriage. The Service Power Pack offers full control of the undercarriage, including track chain tensioning and release of the travel brakes. The remote control enables proportional steering for easy and precise undercarriage displacement. The pump lifting tool has been specifically designed to handle hydraulic pumps installed on Liebherr mining excavators without removing the compartment housing or any components. This solution allows for fast and efficient maintenance. The pump lifting tool is delivered with adapters to fit different sizes of pumps. Easily maneuverable by one person with its large carrying handles, the pump lifting tool is retractable and foldable for easy storage. With a track conditioning monitoring system, Liebherr provides all specialized electronic and mechanical measuring tools to monitor the wear of the track chain and its components. This system is delivered with dedicated software to track wear of components and facilitate forecasting of spare parts. The Liebherr-designed track press allows for easy, safe, and efficient opening of the track chain by pushing out one of the pressed pins. With the Liebherr Service Tool solution, customers will benefit from an OEM certified solution, maximized machine uptime, cost-efficient maintenance, easy machine serviceability, uncompromising operational safety.